Hello students, this is Kadam sir from Civil Department of Pravin Patil College. In last video we have started the third chapter, that is disposal of municipal solid waste. So let's revise or just see what we have completed in the last video. So we have seen the types of disposal of solid waste, then we have seen the composting process and its favorable conditions. Then we have seen the factors affecting composting process. Also we have seen the different methods of composting in brief, and we have seen the difference between Bangalore method and Indore method of composting. Now let's continue the third chapter. Next question is define vermicomposting and explain its concept in brief. So as you all know, the vermicomposting is the process of composting using worms. This method involves the stabilization of organic solid waste through earthworms consumption, which converts the materials into worm casting. And what is the concept of vermicomposting? So it is a triplicate system which involves biomass, microbes and earthworms. In this process, organic material is breakthrough use of worm, means composting is done by worms and microbes. These earthworms eats the organic material and convert it into nutrient rich stable organic substance, which is known as worm casting or vermicomposting. So this question generally are for 2 marks. Let's move to the next question, that is explain the advantages of vermicomposting and also mention its suitability. This question asks for 4 marks. So what are the advantages of vermicomposting? So it increases the moisture and nutrient retention of the soil. Also it provides the efficient conversion of organic waste. It improves the aeration and root penetration. Also it reduces the crusting of soil surface. In this method, the micronutrients are added. Also, it increases the number of beneficial soil microorganisms. So these are the advantages of vermicomposting. Now let's see the suitability of this process. So this process plays a vital role in waste management, and it is also used in back of the house areas and kitchen. It is eco-friendly technique, hence it can be adopted for organic waste from industries, that is sugar industry, food industry, etc. The nutrients from manure can be used for farms and gardens. It improves the quality of fruits and vegetables. So these are the suitability of vermicomposting. Now let's see the next question, that is state the factors affecting selection of site for landfill of solid waste and state the advantages and disadvantages of landfill method. So after composting and vermicomposting method, the another method for decomposing or disposal of solid waste management, solid waste, is landfill method. So this is the most common method in India for disposal of solid waste. Now let's see the factors affecting the selection of site for landfilling. So the site should be easily approachable, it should be located away from the community area, the sufficient quantity of soil should be available nearby site, waterlogged and flood prone areas should be avoided, local climate should be considered while selecting the site for landfill. Also groundwater should be very deep, it should not be less than 5-meter height. So these are the factors which should be considered while selecting the site for landfilling. Now let's see the advantages of landfill method. So this method is very cheap waste disposal method. Also due to this method, the various jobs will be created for local people. Variety of solid waste can be disposed of by landfill method. The gases generated from the landfill site can be used for heating. Also, the site can be re-landscaped once it can be filled. So, as there are many advantages, there are also the disadvantages of this method, such as the site will look ugly when it is being used for landfill. Also, various dangerous gases are generated from the landfill that causes air pollution. Also, local streams could be polluted with leachate, that is contaminated water seeping through the ground from landfill site. Also, the jobs created in the local area are likely to be the low paid jobs, and the trucks delivering the waste to the site are very big and noisy, so they will spoil the peace and quietness in the area. So this whole question generally are for 6 marks, but also these factors affecting the selection of site, advantages and disadvantages, these 3 questions also asked separately for 4 marks each in your examination. Now let's see the next question, that is enlist the method of landfilling of solid waste and explain in brief about any one method. So there are 3 methods for landfilling: area method, trench method and ramp or slope method. So let's see the short note for area method. So this method is best suited for flat or gently sloping areas where some land depressions may exist. The waste are spread, compacted and then covered with the material which may need to be hauled in from adjacent areas. In trench method, the trench method consists of an excavated trench into which the solid waste are spread, compacted and covered. The trench method is best suited for nearly level and where the water table is not near the surface. Usually the soil excavated from the trench is used for cover material. Next method is ramp or slope method. In this method, the ramp or slope is sometimes used in combination with the other 2 methods, that is area method and trench method. Waste are spread on an existing slope, compacted and covered. The variation may be suitable for most areas. The cover material usually comes from just ahead of the working face. So this question also asks for 4 to 6 marks in your paper. Now next question for 2 marks is state the typical constituents of municipal landfill gases. So the landfill gases contain these various different gases in various ranges, such as methane content is approximately about 30 to 60%, carbon dioxide 34 to 60%, nitrogen 1 to 21%, oxygen 0.1 to 2%, hydrogen sulfide 0 to 1%, carbon monoxide is 0 to 0.2%, hydrogen 0 to 0.2%, ammonia 0.1 to 1%. So that's all in the today's video. We will continue this chapter, that is 3rd chapter, disposal of municipal solid waste, in next video. Thank you very much.